Hello my dear students. So in the last class we completed the 7 properties of definite integrals. So today we are going to learn the related problems. In exam they will ask to prove the property and then a related problem will be there. Okay. So proof already we done. In this class we will study the questions, related questions, okay, of properties, right? So the question is given it as prove that. Proof I am not doing, it is already done. Okay, that is minus a to a f of x dx. It is equal to what? Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. We know that if it is even, okay. Otherwise this has two sections, you can write in two sections. 0 if it is odd. So based on this property we have to evaluate. The question is we have to evaluate from integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 tan raised to 9x dx. Okay. So proof we already done in last videos. If you want to check properties in two sections, we have done the properties. Proof is the, so relating this question we are solving. From a minus a to a, that is here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, we have tan raised to 9x dx. So this is what f of x. So here f of x is what? Tan raised to 9x. That is if we put negative sign f of minus x, then it will become tan raised to 9 of minus x. That means it is actually minus tan raised to 9x. Hence what we can conclude, it is an odd function. Okay, tan raised to 9x, it is an odd function. So if it is an odd function, what is the answer? Answer for this integral you can write directly 0. So it is easy to prove using the properties. Fine. Similar questions we can check one. Question it is given as we have to prove. Okay, prove that the property it is given as minus a to a f of x dx. Okay, this is equal to two sections are there, twice integral 0 to a f of x dx. If it is what? Even. Okay. Then 0 if f of x is what? Odd. So this proof we already done. So the related question we have to evaluate and evaluate. The question is given as evaluate integral minus 1 to 1 sine, sine raised to 5x cos raised to 4x dx. Okay. So this is the question we need to evaluate. So let f of x is what? Here f of x is, inside this f of x is sine raised to 5x cos raised to 4x. So first we can check whether this function is even or odd. If we put negative x, that is sine raised to 5 of negative x and cos raised to 4 of negative x. Sine negative is negative sine raised to 5x and cos will become positive. Cos raised to 4x, it will become positive. Okay. That means this is f of x. We are getting a negative f of x, which means we can conclude it is an odd function. Okay. Odd function means this answer will be directly, you can write 0. Similar question. Okay. So this type questions you can expect. First you need to prove this. Okay. After that evaluate. Fine. So the next question. Okay. Here the prove that it is given as the property from a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. This we already proved once. Then next we need to evaluate and hence evaluate integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root tan x. Okay. This is the question. We need to evaluate this section. So this can be transformed. The same thing can be written as pi by 6 to pi by 3 root cos x by root cos x plus root sin x dx. Same thing, right? That is cos x by cos x will come 1 here. Cos by sin will come here. Tan. Reverse. 1 by tan. Same thing can be written this also. Now this just assume it as I. Next what we can do? Here we can change x according to the property. Okay. So next transformation, integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 root cos of a plus b minus x. What is a here? Pi by 6. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x according to the property I am writing. Okay. Then again root, same thing, cos of a plus b minus x. Okay. Plus again inside the root we have sin pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Okay. This is what? Just simplify using taking LCM. Okay, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 into 2 into 2. This we have 3 pi by 6. That is what? Yeah, pi by 2 will come. Okay, pi by 2 minus x. Here also pi by 2 minus x. Here also pi by 2 minus x. That is cos pi by 2 minus x. Or 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So you can write it as. After applying that as pi by 2 minus x, here it was cos 90 minus theta sin theta, that is sin x, here x. Here also it was cos pi by 2 minus x, so sin x. Here it was sin pi by 2 minus x, so cos x. So both, this is also I, this is also I. So you can add these two i's. This is actually I, right? This 2 you can add. That means 2i is actually what? Pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos x plus sin x. What is it? Is numerator, right? Root cos x plus root sin x by denominator it is what? Root cos x plus root sin x. Denominator same denominator. Adding the numerators. Okay. That is, it is cancelling. What you will get? 1. So we need to integrate only what? 1. So integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 dx is what we need to integrate. Now it is so simple, right? 1 integral is what? X. So equal to now x within the limit what? Pi by 6 to pi by 3. Correct? Now applying the upper limit minus lower limit. That is, upper limit is what? Pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Take LCM into 2 into 2. That is 2 pi minus pi by 6. Here it is I we need. Here 2i is there. So it will come in the denominator, right? So what is the final answer? Pi by 12. Clear, I guess. So first you need to prove the property. Then according to the property solve. So assume it as I. Then we changed in the terms of pi by 2 minus x. Everything will come. Sin, cos will come. Then add the two equations. 2i equal to, we will get what? Cancelling numerator and denominator, we will get 1. Integral of 1 is x. Upper limit minus lower limit. 2i is what? Pi by 6. So I is what? Pi by 12. So these type questions are sure. Okay, so keep practicing. First proof, then related questions. So 7 properties are important. So next class we will start with new chapter, that is application of derivatives. Till then, bye.